Let's talk about general information on trypanosomes. Trypanosomes are hemoflagellates, meaning they are parasites that live in human blood and tissues. The diseases they cause are important to remember. Trypanosoma cruzi causes Chagas' disease. Trypanosoma gambiense causes West African sleeping sickness. Trypanosoma rhodesiense causes East African sleeping sickness. Now let's break them down further. Trypanosoma rhodesiense and Trypanosoma gambiense are transmitted by the bite of the Tse Tse fly. The infective stage is the trypomastigote, which is injected when the fly takes a blood meal. The diagnostic stage is also the trypomastigote, which can be seen in gambiense-stained thick and thin blood smears. These organisms can also be detected in aspirates from the chancre at the insect bite site, in enlarged lymph nodes, in spinal fluid, or directly in the blood. Trypanosoma cruzi is different. It is transmitted by the rhodesiense, or kissing bug. The infective stage is the trypomastigote, which enters the host when feces of the bug contaminate the bite wound, often when the host scratches the site. The diagnostic stage is the same as with the African trypanosomes. The trypomastigote seen in gambiense-stained thick and thin smears, as well as in aspirates from the chancre, lymph nodes, or spinal fluid. Importantly, T. cruzi can also be transmitted by blood transfusion. Now let's move to general information on Leishmania. The diseases they cause depend on the species. Leishmania donovani causes visceral leishmaniasis, also called Kala Azar. Leishmania tropica causes Old World cutaneous leishmaniasis, also called Oriental sore. Leishmania brasiliensis causes New World cutaneous or mucocutaneous leishmaniasis. The infective stage of Leishmania is the promastigote, which is released when a sandfly bites. The diagnostic stage is the amastigote, which can be demonstrated inside macrophages on gambiense-stained smears from aspirates or biopsies of skin lesions. So, in short, trypanosomes equals hemoflagellates causing Chagas disease and sleeping sickness. Infective stage is trypomastigote. Leishmania equals causes visceral and cutaneous forms. Infective stage is promastigote. Diagnostic stage is amastigote inside macrophages. Let's compare the stages most often seen in Trypanosoma and Leishmania. The first stage is the amastigote. This form does not have a flagellum. It is commonly called the leishmanial form. Amastigotes are found inside cells, typically macrophages, in infections caused by Leishmania donovani, Leishmania tropica, Leishmania brasiliensis, and Trypanosoma cruzi. The second stage is the trypomastigote. In this form, the flagellum originates at the posterior end of the organism, extending forward along the undulating membrane. This is known as the trypanosomal form. Trypomastigotes are the characteristic stage found in infections caused by Trypanosoma rhodesiense, Trypanosoma gambiense, and Trypanosoma cruzi. So to summarize, amastigote, no flagellum, intracellular, seen in Leishmania and T. cruzi. Trypomastigote, flagellated extracellular bloodstream form, seen in African trypanosomes and T. cruzi.